DJT Stock Thursday. In this 1-minute video, I'm covering technical analysis and price predictions. So where is Trump Media and Technology stock going from Thursday and onward? The same thing with MSTR. This from a first 1 hour chart looks criminally good, but I personally am yet to be sold out on this bullish opportunity because all before that, all I've seen was just bears. And if you know the WAC, it was a bullish season, but this is how it looks like right now. So there's two ways that we go about this. One way is to start breaking above 22 or start breaking below 18. And what we're in the middle of is just called a no man's land. I call the no man's land just pretty much neither bullish or bearish. And yeah, if there's a double break on the lower side though, I'm taking a quick little short. That's it. This is just from a day swing trade perspective, obviously sticking to a strategy that's delivered thousands of times. If you want to learn to make more money by taking less trades, click the first link in the description.